We're in the kitchen today using up these 4 old oranges. I'm going to be gathering some orange juice and then also making some all-purpose cleaner. I have an old spaghetti jar here I'm going to use to infuse my cleaner. I have an old apple juice jar that I'm going to use for my orange juice with a nice little metal lid. And then I have some vinegar over here. That's going to be the base for my all-purpose cleaner. So basically we're going to be infusing distilled white vinegar with citrus peels. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut these bad boys in half, and then I'm going to get them ready to juice. This is just a cheap juicer I bought at Walmart for like $5, and I'm just going to get all this juice out and save that for tomorrow's breakfast. Now, 4 navel oranges don't really give you a lot of juice. I'm just using a funnel and a sieve to put the juice through just to collect all the pulp. I'm not a big fan of pulpy orange juice. It's not a lot, but it's enough for a cup. So now I'm just going to take my juiced oranges here and I'm cutting off the peels. I'm trying not to get a lot of flesh. Now you can cut the peels off before you juice the oranges. I just prefer to do it afterwards so that I have a little more grip when I'm juicing them. And I'm just going to take my jar and fill it. Now this is enough to make 2 batches of cleaner. I just don't have enough vinegar, so I'm just going to be doing the 1 jar. I'm going to fill this about 2/3 the way full, and then I'm just going to top it off with my white vinegar. And then I'm just going to put this in a dark cabinet for about 2 to 4 weeks. I'm probably going to check it after a couple weeks just to kind of see what the potency is. And if I feel like it needs a little bit more time, maybe it needs a little bit more vinegar than citrus, I'll leave it for another week or 2. And then I'm going to filter this when I pour it into a glass spray bottle. So you could use like a coffee filter, you could just use like a mesh sieve type of thing, which is what I use. And I use this for a substitute as all-purpose spray. And I'm just going to clean up here with my scraps. Like I said, normally this would do 2 batches, but I'm going to be giving these to the chickens. They'll enjoy a nice little citrus treat. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.